me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey you guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another makeup tutorial for you guys, and I'm also here with my first PR unboxing video. I did already open everything, but the packaging and everything was just so cute. I just wanted to show you guys how it comes. So yeah, today's video is about Urban Decay's new cherry line with their new cherry naked palette and their setting spray. So I'm just gonna show you everything that comes in the package. So yeah, if you're interested, just stay tuned, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. Okay, so everything came in this big white box. So I'm like, what the heck? It's just makeup. So what the heck is in this box, y'all? Isn't this too adorable? Look at this giant cherry. Like, this is too cute, y'all. And then you take off the top, right? Okay, so everything comes like on this, like all this paper and stuff, but I'm gonna just take everything one by one. Okay, so first of all, the most important part and my favorite part is the new Naked Cherry palette. This is what it looks like. I know I'm kind of late with this review, so you guys may have already seen it. Okay, so this palette does have 12 cherry hued neutrals, and it also comes with this double-sided smudger and tapered crease brush. So yeah, 2 brushes in one. So this palette does retail for $49 at Sephora, Ulta, Macy's, wherever you want to get it. This palette is so beautiful, and it's a really heavy palette. Like this palette feels like not cheap at all, and like I just love it. I'm so excited. So this is the palette I'm gonna be doing a look with today. So yeah, let me show you what else is in the box. Okay, so next I have their cherry highlight and blush palette, which looks like this. So we have this highlight, this blush, and this copper toned highlight, which adds like a little shimmer pop of color to your tone. I have 2 new shades of their Glide On eye pencils, which I absolutely love. This one is Black Market and this one is Love Drug. Black Market is just a nice black, and then Love Drug is like this purplish, eggplant-ish type of purple. Okay, next I have these 3 lip colors. These 2 are metallized, like metallic lipsticks. So this one is called Devilish, Cherry, and Juicy. I'm super excited to use this one right here. Let me take them out the box and show you what they look like. Okay, so these are literally super cute, you guys. They have the little cherry on them, and this is the Devilish one that I'm super excited about trying. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking pretty. I'm definitely using this today. And last but not least, we have their all-nighter setting spray. And if you guys don't already know, this is like the best setting spray ever. It lasts up to 16 hours, and this one is cherry scented. Okay, so that is everything. So now I'm about to just create a quick look for you guys using I'm probably not going to use everything. I'm obviously not going to use all 3 lip colors, and I'm probably only going to use the purple eyeliner instead of the black one, but I may use both, but we'll see. So I'm about to create a look real quick, so let's jump right into the tutorial. So I'm gonna start by priming my eyes with this Urban Decay Original Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I did already do my brows and my face, so we don't even have to worry about that right now. If you guys want to see a full tutorial, like how I do my foundation and everything, I'll include one in this video, and I also have other makeup tutorials. But yeah, be sure to check those out. So the way I want this eyeshadow to look, I want it to, like, instead of blending out on the sides, I want it to like come to a sharp, like, you know, like thing. So I'm just gonna put some tape, okay, little beauty hat right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the Love Drug eyeliner pencil and I'm going to tight line under my lashes, which basically makes your lashes look more full if you don't know what tight lining is. And if you do it with color, like I'm doing, you can also see the little pop of color, like if you look really closely. So So I'm gonna take this Morphe MB23 brush and I'm gonna dip into this shade Caution right here as a transition shade and just apply that all over my eyelid. Okay, now with the same brush, I'm gonna take this shade right here, Juicy, and I'm just gonna put that all above my crease. Okay, now I'm gonna take the larger end of the double-sided brush and I'm gonna take this shade right here called Bang Bang, which is like literally my favorite shade on this whole palette, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm just gonna create a gradient effect going from light to dark with my eye. So I'm going to take the color right next to Juicy called Felice and put that right in the middle. Now I'm gonna start going into the purples now. I'm gonna take this shade right here called Bing and I'm gonna put that more towards the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Moda angled shader brush and I'm gonna take this shade right here called Devilish and put that in the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Morphe M321 brush and take the darkest shade Privacy and do almost the same thing that I just did with this dark purple, but I'm also gonna bring it down here a little bit and focus more right in this area. Okay, so here's how it looks so far. I'm gonna take off the tape now and, you know, keep going. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the small smudger end of the brush and take this shade called Young Love and put that right at the bottom. Okay, so I'm basically done with the eye look. So now I'm just gonna put on some lashes real quick off camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I am gonna admit that this shade Bang Bang that I was like super excited to use and it looked like my favorite color, it didn't give me the vibrancy that I wanted. So I'm gonna take this individual Urban Decay shadow called Fireball and I'm gonna take this smudger part of the brush and I'm gonna put that on the inner corner because it's way brighter. Look, I did it on this eye already and look at the difference. This is the eye that I did it on already and this is the one without it. So now I'm just gonna add it to the inner corner of this eye. Okay, this looks so bomb now. So now we're gonna move on to highlight and blush. Okay, so for blush, I like to use this brush because I can just smile and like just place it right on my cheeks. So I'm just gonna dip into the blush. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight and I'm going to spray some of the setting spray onto my highlight brush just to make the highlight pop more. And I'm gonna use this more champagne colored highlight because this white highlight is not for me. I might put some of this up under my brow bone though. Y'all see that little glow going on? Okay, so now I'm just gonna take some of this really light highlight and put it on my finger and put that on my brow. Like that. Okay, so this actually isn't white. It's like, I don't know what it is. It's pretty though. Okay, I'm finally gonna move on to my lips. So I'm going to line my lips with this same purple Love Drug Glide On eye pencil. I know it's an eye pencil, but you can use it to line your lips. I'm gonna create a little ombre lip. I'm gonna use these two colors, Cherry and Devilish. So I'm gonna take Cherry. This is what it looks like. Ooh. Okay, now I'm gonna take the shade Devilish, but I'm gonna use a lipstick applicator brush because I don't want any of this darker lipstick getting on the lighter lipstick. So I'm just gonna go like this. And I'm finally done, so now I'm just gonna spray my face. Okay, so I like to put on my mascara after I already set my face, because sometimes like if my face gets like really wet, like from the setting spray, the mascara will like transfer to my face. So I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Perversion mascara, my favorite mascara, and I'm just gonna put that on the lower lashes. Okay, you guys, so this is the final result. I'm really in love with this look because this palette is literally my favorite shades. Like, I love pinks and purples on my face, so this palette is literally everything to me because it's like so girly and it's just so beautiful. So yeah, I'm also really in love with this lip color. Like, I don't usually do dark lips, but this is working for me. So yeah, I'll have all the products that I use listed in the description box below and how much they are. I am super in love with all these products. None of them really disappointed me. The only thing that disappointed me was that one pink eyeshadow shade. I didn't try all of them yet though, so who knows, but the palette itself is pretty pigmented and I'm loving it so far. I'm loving the whole look. I love the setting spray actually does smell like cherries, I promise. I love the glide on eye pencils, of course, and I really love the brush that comes with the Naked palette. So if you guys have any questions, just comment them below. I'll answer. If you're not already following me on Instagram, be sure to do that right now at Janai Kirsten. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, also be sure to do that right now before you click away from this video. You can click it right here. Just press subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.